beach here. We're gonna be landing here on a quite sandy beach very soon. In the bay, in the bay, in the bay. So everybody's here. Oh, huh? Not quite. We're here. Okay, we're approaching. On the island. This is a huge island, by the way, guys. Big island. Big island. Oh. Okay, we're gonna land here and do some swimming.